A single drop of water can contain more life than the entire planet of Mars. Within this minuscule droplet, an entire universe teems with unseen beings and complex interactions. These microscopic organisms, invisible to the naked eye, play a critical role in our world. They are the hidden architects of ecosystems, shaping life in ways we are only beginning to understand. This is the realm of close-up nature and macro wildlife, revealing an astonishing level of detail. Understanding this miniature world offers profound insights into the larger cycles of our planet. It prompts us to reconsider our place within the vast tapestry of life. Macro photography allows us to peer into these secret lives, showcasing their intricate beauty and vital functions. It transforms our perception of the ordinary into the extraordinary, revealing hidden wonders everywhere. Imagine the sheer diversity packed into a space smaller than your fingertip. Scientists explain that these tiny creatures are essential for nutrient cycling and decomposition. They break down organic matter, releasing vital nutrients back into the environment for plants to absorb. This process is fundamental to the survival of countless larger organisms, including ourselves. Consider the humble bacterium, often misunderstood as merely a source of disease. In reality, trillions of bacteria are crucial partners in digestion for many animals. But that's not the strangest part. Some bacteria can even survive in the vacuum of space. The intricate structures, visible under magnification, are astonishing adaptations for survival. Look closely at this water bear, also known as a tardigrade, a creature of incredible resilience. It can withstand extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the harsh conditions of outer space. These adaptations allow them to colonize environments that would be instantly fatal to most other life forms. Wait until you hear what comes next about their survival mechanisms. A single gram of soil can contain billions of these microscopic powerhouses, each with a unique role. Sustains, they are the entire food web's unsung heroes, each with a unique role. Sustains, they are the entire food web's smallest algae to the largest performing vital whales. The delicate balance of these miniature ecosystems is incredibly sensitive to environmental changes. Pollution, habitat destruction, and climate shifts can have devastating ripple effects on these tiny worlds. And then something unexpected happened. A slight change in temperature caused a population boom. This boom then dramatically altered the nutrient availability for larger aquatic species. The impact is a stark reminder of how interconnected all life truly is, regardless of size. Our actions, even those seemingly insignificant, can have profound consequences on these delicate systems. Understanding this impact is crucial for informed conservation efforts and a healthier planet. It highlights the importance of protecting even the smallest, most overlooked corners of nature. These microscopic marvels are not just fascinating, they are indispensable to life as we know it. Their existence underscores the breathtaking complexity and interconnectedness of our natural world. We are all part of this grand, intricate web, relying on each other for survival. If you found this deep dive into the microscopic world fascinating, please subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, and share what microscopic creature amazes you most in the comments below. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.